back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can get puzzles in Heartopia. So the first way is you can purchase them from Kachang. And here, if you scroll down, you are able to purchase some puzzles. Some puzzles need wishing stars for you to purchase them, and some don't. You can also get them by getting gifts from the animals. As you can see, this alpaca family puzzle box, you can get it from increasing your animal bond level. You're also able to get it from the pink bubbles that you get weekly. It is random though, so I can't guarantee you'll get a puzzle, but you'll get some interesting puzzles, and then you're able to um I guess combine the puzzles. So let me just go to my house. If it's not too complicated, I might finish a puzzle now, but if it is, then I might not. There's the small, they're really small one, and then medium, and then large, and then an extra large puzzles. Sorry, I'm still loading, as you can tell. So this one only has 36 pieces. You can, right? Okay. There we go. Place. And just place it here. Okay, it's not that big. I think it's a medium puzzle. But yeah, I usually start with the edge pieces because it's the easiest. And then you are essentially going to use the puzzle to level up your dream level as well. So yeah, actually I'll stop the video here, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.